Hey, what's going on, everybody? As I sit here grinding away, trying to find ways to better myself and better our team, I have one thing that popped in my head that I wanted to talk about, and that's leadership. What makes a leader? Is it the car that they're driving? Is it the amount of money they're making? Is it their rank? Absolutely not. A leader is someone who has a certain ability to help other people to become better, to achieve things that they want to achieve, to lead them in a direction that's going to benefit their future. To me, that's what a leader is about. And to be a leader, you got to have certain traits to be really, really great. One is adaptability. You have to be adaptable to the many types of personalities that your business will inherit. You got to be a really great communicator. You got to be an effective communicator. You cannot speak to the same people the same way. You need to be able to channel your communication in different levels to be able to reach someone differently and reach someone in a specific way. That's one thing about a leader and being able to have that level of communication is that you can be adaptable with your communication to make sure that you are helping someone, you're delivering the message that's most beneficial to other people. Also, with being a leader, you have to have that charisma, you got to have that style, you got to have that sense of humor, you got to have that courage, you got to have that trust. People need to trust you, they need to respect you, they need to admire you. They know that the second you open your mouth, they're going to drop all things and they're going to listen. Why? Because they know that they're going to get fed. So as you're feeding other people, you, as a leader, you are actually training other people on how to become a better leader. Okay, so I would tell you to do this. Before I cut this video off, think of your strengths, think of your weaknesses. How are you a good leader? How can you become a great leader? And what are you willing to do to teach someone else to duplicate everything that you have done? That's what leadership is all about. You guys have a good day. Holla at your boy.